Hey, Jacqueline Hill Bennett here. Thank you for tuning in to the Alopecia Princess Show. In part one of this video, I demonstrated to you all the process by which I remove my glued lace front unit safely and properly. In this video, I'd like to demonstrate exactly how I install my lace front unit using Walker tape glue. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In a previous video, I had promised you guys that I would show you how to use the brush as well as the tube. The tube is pretty easy to use. The brush, a whole other story. Okay? So, hold on to your hats, boys and girls. Class has begun. Alright, so I'm going to tie her up. Don't worry about all that. It will be glued down very soon. And let me just tell you guys, it is late. It is after 10, and I need to be in bed because I have to work in the morning. But for you guys, I'm doing this. All right, so she's tied up. Doesn't have to be super neat or anything because all I'm doing is marking my territory. Got myself a white liner and I'm going to mark where I want to glue her down. So, make sure you do this right. I have definitely glued my hair down in the wrong position and regretted it the next day. That's all I'm going to say about that. Maybe in a story time, I'll tell you that story. But right now, just want to make sure you get it in the right space. I like my hairline to be 3 fingertips up. Some people like theirs to be 4, which for me is a bit high. That's the mistake I made that last time. I don't want to do it again. So I'm doing 3. And I'm bringing her here to the sides, making sure my sideburns are where I want them to be, and then I'm marking. Okay, now I have marked her. Can you see? All marked up. Take her off. And I know you're going to be like, oh my God, that's so low. You're going to put glue all the way down to your face. Yes, I am. I'm a bald girl. This is the way things work. Okay? So, let's start with the stuff I hate. The brush. I'm not a lover or big fan of the Ultra Hold Walker Tape brush. But I do understand why people buy it because it is literally like probably $20 less than the tube. Which, I mean, look at the size difference. This is 4 ounce and this is 1.4 ounces. So, whatever. But if you have to buy this, I'm going to show you how to use it. So as you can see, it's extremely stringy, slimy, and it can get extremely messy. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you get as much of the product away from the bottle as possible. And I just need you to know that it's almost impossible to get all of it away, okay? This is why when you apply it, you must stay, oh God, I have it here. You must stay close to your body. So you're going to hold it right where you're applying it, right there, and then apply. You don't want to try to pull the whole thing out and bring it to you without and put this down and hold it down because no, it's just going to be a big mess. You're going to end up with glue everywhere. So you must hold the tube right next to your head. Okay, now notice I'm only doing the peripheral edges. I don't even usually do the back. I did the back last time and I don't know that it made much of a difference, and in fact, I think that it was more than a nuisance, more a nuisance than anything else. So I think this time I'm going to refrain from doing the back edges, and I'm just going to leave that unglued. Doing the front edge alone is literally enough to hold you down for 5 days. No problem. And I'm really sure that it would hold you down longer. The only reason why I don't keep it on longer, like I explained to you guys earlier, is because I don't like the way it looks. Look at that string. See that string? It's messy as all shit. Ah, okay. All right, so let me finish this up. You know what? So I've done half of it with the brush. I'll do the rest with the tube, which is much easier. You basically just hold it down. Make sure the product makes it all the way down to the edge. And when it does, start working. So much neater, so much. Okay, so as precaution, I must say, you do not want to have thick layers of glue, especially at the hairline, because that hairline is so important. It's imperative to have a perfect hairline when you are wearing a lace front wig, because lace fronts are literally all about the hairline. If you're not getting a good hairline with your lace front, you might as well go ahead and wear a full cap wig, because you're not going to get the benefit of a lace front wig without getting that great hairline. So right there at the edge, you make sure that you have a nice clean finish. And by clean, I just mean light layer, okay? So, okay, we'll wait 45 minutes. Yes, that's excessive, and that's why you do it at night. Wait 45 minutes, go brush your teeth. I don't know, say your prayers, do whatever you got to do. Get your clothes together for tomorrow, and by the time you're done doing all that, you'll be ready to apply your unit. I'll see you guys in 45 minutes. It has been 45 minutes, and now I can safely apply my wig. Now, you probably want to know why I want to wait 45 minutes to do this. First off, you have to let the glue cure and get tacky before you put it on. Why? You get a cleaner application. You get a more sturdy application. So for those two reasons, if you don't want a clean application and you don't want a sturdy application, then go ahead and put it right on after you put the glue on, and you'll have a nice messy and not so sturdy application, if that's what you want. But if you want to do it correctly, you'll wait 45 minutes at, you know what, we'll say half hour at minimum. But half hour is really not enough, so I'm telling you 45 minutes to 1 hour. All right, so now I can go ahead and apply her. Ew. Make sure all that loose hair is out the way. And if I do this wrong, it's because I'm so tired. I mean, so if I'm a little sloppy, please forgive me. I'm really, really tired at this point. And I'm coming down with a cold. I don't know if you hear it in my voice, but yes, I am. All right, so watch me perform. All right. So then I use the back of my comb to smooth everything down. Okay, truth be told, in reality, when I do this off camera, I don't use the white crayon to mark my line. It does give me a more definitive application when I do it that way. However, I do get the line. So if you feel like you can accomplish what I've accomplished without using the pencil. I do recommend you don't use a pencil because you end up with the white line, which can be taken away with alcohol. But I mean, why go through all that after you've done all that work, right? All right, so the thing is, after you apply your unit, you don't want to style your hair. You want to let the glue cure to your wig. Give it some time. And then in the morning when you wake up, you can go ahead and start blowing out, drying, doing whatever it is that you need to do. Okay? But for all intents and purposes, when you first apply your unit, you do not want to style it. Right now, I'm just putting it up in a messy bun because this is how I intend to wear it to bed. In the morning, I will wake up 2 hours ahead of time and I will get all this white chalk off of my head. But now it's gonna stay there because your girl gotta get some sleep. I can't stand it. I gotta get the white stuff off. So there you have it, guys. You have just witnessed my lace front installation using Walker Tape glue. I will admit I went a little low with the hairline. I probably did that because I was so tired. I do want to say that you should actually be rested before taking on a project as large as the one I just did. It didn't take very, very long. However, I started quite late. I didn't start until after 9, which was a bad idea. I definitely should have started earlier, but you guys know I have a big family. I have a full-time job. I have a husband who does not like to help around the house, so it gets a little difficult for me. Anyway, I was really tired, and I had to wake up the next morning and actually fix the mistake I made. So I don't know if you noticed or not, but I did push back my hairline just a little bit. I don't like to have my hairline going back too far because I feel like it just changes the whole structure of my face. Truth be told, I have been without hair for long enough so that I don't even remember where my hairline is actually supposed to be or what my hair looked like even before my hair fell out. I lost my hair when I was just 11 years old. I think that the color of my hair that you're looking at right now in this video is exactly the color it was before my hair fell into the graveyard, but I don't really remember. My sisters both have darker hair than that, but I do know that I'm lighter skinned than my sisters, and my hair inevitably was also lighter. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing y'all again soon. Peace and be well. Bye.